Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and review of the Manfiter tire inflator with tire gauge pressure. First I'm going through the listing very quickly, then I do the unboxing, and after that I'll go outside to my car and then we'll see how this really works. So regarding the functionality and price, this is absolutely awesome. I have not seen anything like this. I didn't know that that it's possible to buy something like this for below $30. It comes with so much functionality. I mean, I've seen only manual inflators, but this is fully automated like you have at the latest gas stations, but usually they are broken at the gas stations because people don't care. So this is the possibility, the opportunity to buy one for yourself, and if you take care, it will last for a long time, so you know that you have something reliable at home, or you take it in your car with you and that you have it all the time available. So you see it comes with a long cord. It has the LCD display, cooling area, and an LED light, which is awesome if you have to do something outside in the dark. The cord is about 10 feet long. That's really huge, and I think it should fit for all around your car. Yeah, should go up to 36 PSI. Should fit for car, motorcycle, bicycle, and comes with a lot of accessories. And here you see how this works. I think there's a manual and automatic mode, but we'll see that outside. And yeah, it looks really good. Looks very flexible. All the things which you really want. So let's go to the unboxing. So that's the box, how I get it. There's not much to see on the box. There's not so much description here. Yeah, but I think there's more information outside. Unfortunately, the box got a little bit crunched, but I think that's not the problem of the seller or manufacturer. It's probably happened on Amazon during shipping, and as you can see, there's no problem at all. The thing is, it all happened here on this side, and there is enough protection around that, so nothing happened. There is a small manual, user's manual. You can see everything. Yeah, here again some key factors, operation instruction, and button functionality. Also some warnings, of course. You have to be careful. This is nothing for children, nothing to play around. Also we get a card: dear valued customer, notice children are forbidden from using. Of course, that's, yeah, of course. And you're invited to give feedback on Amazon if you like it. So yeah, let's start first with this. Oh, this is really heavy. So this is really not a toy. This is quite heavy, and so I'm expecting it to be really stable. This is the switch, power on, power off, and here we have the LCD display to operate the whole thing, and here the cord, and here the accessories. Oops, one nozzle, two, I think there are
3 of them. This is good for like if you have a soccer ball. And these I don't know at the moment, but of course this is the standard thing which fit for most of the tires for cars and motorcycles and even bikes. So if you have something else, you need another adapter. Some bikes like mountain bikes, they sometimes have smaller things, but there are adapters available, so you can use it with this. So before you start with everything, you should have a look at your car, what the recommended pressure is, and usually this is inside on the side where the driver's seat is. So in my case it says, I think, 36 psi, except the spare tire which is 60 psi, but I'm just planning to inflate the norm or check pressure on the regular tire, so it will be 36 psi on everything. And then it's important to start your car so that the battery delivers maximum power and the battery level doesn't go down. So yeah, if you don't do that, it could be that you don't have enough power after that to start your engine. Okay, and now we can plug in the adapter into your cigarette lighter. So something like here. Okay, so and now already you can see that there is some light, and obviously there is some power on this. So looks like you have to push any kind of button that the display will turn on. I think the one in the middle, it shows 0 psi. Yeah, when I click the button in the middle, I can switch from psi to bar to kilo PA, whatever it is, or kilogram per square centimeter. So in my case, of course, I need psi and I need 36. So you see, it's very easy to adjust. So I have to remove the cap now and screw this on. So it says it's 30.5. That's really, I hope you can see that. Yeah, that's really convenient. So you see, yeah, it's lower than what it should be. So okay, and I have set it to 36, and now I'm starting to push here, and hopefully it will fill it up. Okay, so you see it filled it up to 36, and before it reached 36.5 it stopped immediately, so it's back on 36. It's actually a good thing that it didn't stop right at 36, because when you remove this, usually some of the power pressure will go away, and as you can see, it's already back between 35, 36. So it's definitely a good thing that it didn't stop right away. And now there's a little bit. Of course, I have to stop this before removing this. I have to stop this. So, as you have been able to see, it's a super easy thing. I have not been practicing this. This was the first time I've ever tried this. I just plugged it in and set the pressure, and started pumping, and everything worked perfectly. And also the length of the cable was enough. I have a pretty long cable. It's a car. It's a van. So usually when you have a standard car, you don't need such a long cable. But in my case, it was really a good thing, because I have this van, and so this is the longest distance which I have. The front tires are much closer. These are the tires in the back, and of course the pressure was way below the recommended 36 psi, so it took a little bit of long time. Usually when you do this on a regular base, you don't have to wait for so long time until it's filled up. So for me it looks absolutely awesome. There's absolutely no complaint. This thing is absolutely sturdy, easy to handle, fast to inflate, super easy, automatic. Absolutely perfect device. I can fully recommend this, and I'll put down the link in the description so you can use that if you like to buy it, which I highly recommend. So if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.